Everybody out there in steam loving land, this is the Old Man Doing Stuff, Prattville, Montgomery, Alabama. It's November 16th, 2024, and I have added aluminum foil, as suggested by one of the members on Facebook, to my gel. As you can see, it's burning a lot better. It's not burning out of the sides, and I do have some steam coming up. There we go. So it's doing well. Absolutely. It was burning out of the sides. As you can see on my other, which is still cold, I've got it almost ready to go, but I've installed aluminum foil, which will hold this sterno gel a lot better. It won't be coming out of the sides, and as you can see, it was burning out of the side holes. I'm a novice and very open to suggestions, so I've got her up and running. Doing really good this morning. It's warmed up now. It's about 70 degrees. It was kind of cold this morning, about 45. So just wanted to share for a minute this one running with my new setup on aluminum foil. You guys take care.